Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to enable or disable the OTG connection on this device. So this operation is not really complicated, all you need to know is where this specific option is placed. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then scroll down to the very bottom again, and here we've got the OTG option, so let's tap on it and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on, of course, this option is active. If you'd like to turn it off, you've got two different ways to actually do that. You can either do it manually just by tapping on the switcher, and right now it is turned off, or you can simply wait 10 minutes, because after 10 minutes of inactivity, of not using it, your device will automatically turn off the OTG. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.